Hey guys, it's me RedRocker22. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect and register to a server. Server IP address pe.minecraft.c. Let's just call it Crossfire. Does anyone of you, my viewers, play Crossfire? Okay, let's add. I'm gonna change my username because it's already registered. RedRocker99. How to register? I'm going to show you today. Okay, then you do it like this. Every server likes you to register. Just register, then your password. Just Doodle. Register Doodle. Yeah, that's so easy. Now I am in Geocraft. Awesome server. So this is your stats when you first join. NA like that. NA, and that's all. I only wanted to show you that. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.